We're at our bus. Mom said to go in the back. So I'm in the back. I might do a little bit of this kind of traffic, a little bit of time lapse. I don't know. Also, hi Bao. Here's my sister, my cousin. Savannah, you want to keep your face like that? I didn't know. No. Well, Soda, you now know what my sister looks like. Time lapse time. How'd you like my voice reveal? Face, I mean. That's pretty much the only time I'm going to do it until a surprise thing. So I'm going to record this a little bit, and then I'm going to go to time lapse. Okay, see you when we get there. Well, I'm back now. My camera's cooled down enough. Probably gonna have to cut like in another 5 minutes or so to let it cool down some more. But I couldn't because just look at these mountains. Yeah, I'm gonna leave my brothers and sisters channel in the description, again, and the music that I use too. I hope that I'll rewatch this footage and remember to do that, because I mentioned the last one. There's somebody working in the field. Yeah, I'm gonna cut and see you again soon. Bye.
What?
Say hi.
Hello.
Say hi.
What?
Say hi.
Hello. Wow.
Say hi. Hello. That's my second face video. As you can see, Vietnam is a beautiful place. Really nice. My camera is getting a bit warm, so I'm going to cut unless I see something. Well, I'm going to cut in a second. Why is he honking so much? Because there is no blinkers in Vietnam. The blinker is your horn. Look, I think those are people working the rice field. If you could see. I'm not gonna cut because it looks good. My camera could cool down soon. So some more of our cousins and aunts, or some more people got on the bus, some more family, and I took out the battery because it was getting hot, and now I'm using an external battery, but my camera still might overheat, so I might have to cut soon, but here's just some stuff. We are getting close to the mountains on the other side of the car, but it's a little hard to see on the camera, so I'm not really going to show that. Might add subtitles. That's going to be hard for me. Another 2 hours of editing for more subtitles. So please leave a like for all my hard work. Please. And tell me in the comments below about how you like these videos. I recorded the playing video on my dad's iPhone 8 Plus, but it's going to take a little while for me to get it off there because he doesn't want to connect his work phone to the internet here. Sorry if my face reveal looks a little bad. It's because I flipped it really fast. I didn't really want to show my face that way.
có cái điều mà để tâm đi trước đây rồi nha. Cái này cái đó này cái bạn cái này cái này đá này đó chiều chứ đó đó này đó chiều chiều chứ này đó chiều cái đó đó
So I'm gonna cut until I see something really cool, because my camera's really getting hot. We're near a beach and getting even closer to the mountain. Yeah, I'll probably start recording when my camera is back to room temperature. Bye! Noah, just wait one through the coffee stick. So here are the mountains. Savannah wants you guys to see her whole outfit for some reason. There, you're on YouTube now. There's a pond. Maybe I'll just run water with you. I'll put new battery. Hold on, and now I gotta go. Bye. My cousin. My other cousin. My other cousin. My brother. Here comes my dude. Hello. 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 You want to see the birds? Trying to get some video of the birds. I'm gonna cut again, okay? Bye.